Hi everyone, I'm Lisa and welcome to Lisa's Stamp Studio. I'm here to introduce you to the July stamps in the mail. This month we're going to be using the Wonderful Moments stamp set. This beautiful sketched stamp set includes varied images for all types of occasions, including greetings for both the inside and the outside of your cards. Stamps in the Mail is a way for you to stamp with me from home. I'll provide all the free pre-cut supplies for this month's kit. All you'll need to do is provide some basic things, and I'll show you what those are in just a minute when I show you the completed cards and the kit. This is not a club and there is no monthly commitment, which allows you to pick and choose the kits each month that are appealing to you. Also included is a video. You'll be able to stop and start as often as you'd like, stamping at your own pace. I also provide a PDF tutorial with step-by-step instructions, multiple pictures for each of the cards, a supply list, and cutting dimensions so that you can use those layouts and images for inspiration in the future as well. In addition to that, all of my customers receive an added bonus, and that's a private invitation to a live event on Facebook where I provide numerous demonstrations, a huge bundle of tutorials, and I give away product prizes. Now, if you're not on Facebook, don't worry. I can provide you with a recording and, of course, the tutorials via email. Just let me know when you place your order. But let's head over to the stamp table and let me show you the completed cards for this month's kit and the products you'll need to complete them. All of my cards in this month's kit are revolving around this brand new stamp set called Wonderful Moments. Isn't it gorgeous? You've got images for a wedding and expectant moms, birthday, as well as some other greetings that work really well with these images. Now, I work really hard to come up with cards that you have not seen in other places, so let me show you what they are. You'll be making two of everything that you'll see here. I'll provide the embossed cardstock and, of course, the die-cut oval. You'll do the stamping. You will also get the tooling for the veil. The video is chock full of tips. You're also going to receive two of this one. And so we've got a little bit of a fancy fold here. Isn't that fun? You're also going to receive the designer paper, and I did use Stampin' Blends on my cards, but keep in mind if you don't have the Stampin' Blends or you don't like them or want to order them, you can substitute with markers. I'm going to be using those here for the image as well. I'll be teaching you some shading techniques if you want to do them. I provide lots of alternatives. So of course, all these embellishments are included in your kit with the pre-cut supplies. You'll also receive envelopes for all 8 cards, 2 of each of the 4 designs that I showed you here. So for a total of 8 when they're all finished. To complete the cards, you're going to need a Memento black ink pad. I used Stampin' Blends on my cards. Keep in mind you can use color pencils or markers, whatever you have at home. To duplicate my cards exactly as you see, I used the Night of Navy combo Stampin' Blends, the light Old Olive, the light Smoky Slate, the bronze, the light Cherry Cobbler, and the Ivory Perfect Skin Tone. You're also going to need clear blocks for your stamps. You'll need adhesive, dimensionals, and glue dots. And you'll also need to order a package of pearls for the bridal card. Head over to my blog on the Stamps in the Mail tab, which is under the online classes, and there you'll be able to see a complete array of what you'll need to order. My Stamps in the Mail kit is absolutely free with the tutorial and the PDF, as well as the live event invitation with any $50 purchase. You don't have to order these products if you already have them, or if perhaps you prefer to have something else. Feel free to substitute. It's any $50 order. Now, the ordering period is very specific. It is July 11th through July 14th only, and you must use the exclusive Stamps in the Mail host code. It's the only way that I know that you're entitled to the free kit. Everything will be in the mail to you no later than July 18th, and it's sent first class mail. I hope you'll join us for the July edition of Stamps in the Mail.